What's the meaning of clothes hanger? Clothes hanger. Clothes hanger.
Clothes hanger. Clothes hanger. A clothes hanger is a device used for hanging clothes. It typically consists of a piece of shaped metal wire or plastic with a hook at the top for suspending the hanger from a rod or rail, and a pair of curved arms extending downwards to support the garment. The hanger allows clothes to be stored in a neat and organized manner, preventing wrinkles, creases, and damage. Clothes hangers come in many varieties, including wooden, plastic, and metal, and can be used for a wide range of clothing items, from shirts and pants to dresses and coats.